Hi, welcome to Mad Machine. Fasten your seatbelts, brace yourselves, and don't forget to grab some snacks for an even more enjoyable experience while watching this video. In this video, you'll see how massive trees in the forest are taken down. These giant machines are doing the heavy lifting, chopping down trees like it's no big deal. So, stick around till the end of the video to check out these badass tree-cutting beasts in action. Enjoy! The first one. Ponce Scorpion King, renowned as one of the most advanced harvesters. The Ponce Scorpion King features a massive saw that effortlessly cuts through large diameter trees in a single motion. This innovative machine has transformed the forestry industry with its unique scorpion-like design and exceptional maneuverability in challenging terrains. Its precision robotic arm enables quick and efficient tree felling and wood processing, making it a game-changer in productivity. The centrally positioned arm ensures stability when lifting heavy loads and provides operators with optimal visibility. Adding to its standout features, the 360-degree rotating cabin allows full visibility. Enhancing both operator comfort and efficiency. With its unique design, unparalleled speed, and precision, the Ponce Scorpion King is the ultimate choice for achieving maximum productivity in modern forestry projects. Komatsu XT 465L-5. This heavy machine comes equipped with a massive saw capable of cutting trees with very large diameters. Widely used across North America and Europe for large-scale forestry projects. The feller buncher is one of the most revolutionary tools in modern forestry. Specifically designed for fast and efficient tree cutting and gathering, the feller buncher streamlines large-scale logging projects, making them safer and more productive. Using a powerful hydraulic arm fitted with a large saw, it can cut down trees in a single motion while holding and moving them to a designated area. This advanced technology not only speeds up the felling process, but also reduces the risk of accidents for operators. The standout feature of the feller buncher is its ability to cut multiple trees in a short amount of time and stack them neatly. This is especially useful for large-scale logging and land management projects, significantly boosting efficiency. With its numerous advantages, The feller buncher has become a cornerstone of modern forestry technology. Offering unmatched efficiency and safety, it is a valuable investment for large-scale projects. Next, Cat 568 FM. Equipped with a giant chainsaw and powerful hydraulic arm, the Cat 568 FM is specifically engineered for intensive forestry operations. With exceptional durability and hydraulic strength, it excels at handling large trees and heavy-duty tasks in the field. The machine features a long hydraulic arm that provides extended reach and high lifting capacity, making it easy to cut and transport massive trees. Its robust design ensures superior stability, even when operating on uneven terrain. One of the standout features of the Cat 568 FM is its soundproof, comfortable cabin with intuitive control systems. This design allows operators to stay focused and reduces fatigue during long working hours. With its unmatched power and resilience, the Cat 568 FM is the top choice for large-scale forestry projects that demand efficiency and reliability. Next, Komatsu 931XC8WD. Built with a powerful engine and equipped with a massive saw, the Komatsu 931XC8WD is designed to cut through large-diameter trees in challenging terrains like dense forests and hilly areas. This advanced harvester features 8 wheels and Komatsu's dual-drive comfort bogie system, providing unparalleled stability and traction. Whether operating on steep slopes or muddy ground, the 931XC ensures smooth, reliable performance in any terrain. The Komatsu 931XC is powered by an innovative triple-pump hydraulic system, allowing simultaneous operation of the boom, cutting head, and machine movement. This boosts efficiency and helps operators complete tasks faster and more productively. Its cabin offers excellent visibility, intuitive controls, and automatic climate control, ensuring a safe and comfortable working environment for long hours. With its exceptional performance in tough conditions and cutting-edge technology, the Komatsu 931XC8WD is the ultimate solution for forestry companies aiming for high productivity across diverse terrains. Next, John Deere Harvester 1470G. This heavyweight harvester boasts the power and size to tackle massive trees. Equipped with an automated mechanism, it can cut and process tree trunks in record time, making it a top choice for modern forestry. The John Deere Harvester 1470G is one of the most advanced logging machines designed specifically for the forestry industry. With cutting-edge technology and incredible strength, it efficiently fells and processes large trees, even in the toughest terrains. Outfitted with a long, flexible hydraulic arm and a state-of-the-art harvester head, the 1470G can cut, measure, and segment tree trunks into smaller pieces within seconds. Its automated technology ensures each cut meets precise industry specifications, saving time and reducing waste. One of its standout features is the ergonomic cabin with advanced control systems. Designed for operator comfort and maximum visibility, the cabin enhances productivity while maintaining top-tier safety standards. With its unmatched capabilities, advanced technology, and reliability, the John Deere Harvester 1470G delivers exceptional productivity, making it the go-to choice for large-scale forestry projects. The massive tree-cutting machines we just saw really show how advanced our technology has become. But does this count as harming nature? On the flip side, let's be real. Without machines like these, there'd be no tables, chairs, or so many other things we use at home. Let's just hope our planet stays safe and sound. So, what do you all think of these machines? Do they really help get the job done? Do they actually make work easier? Drop a comment on which machine you think is the best. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss any new videos from this channel. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.